Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by working in RAW and enabling a clipping overlay so you see problem areas immediately. First, reduce overall exposure by 0. 5 to 2 stops to bring highlights back into range. This recovers data and prevents further clipping. Once done, drop the white slider gradually and watch the overlay. Make sure to adjust the histogram so the right edge moves left without creating a big midtone hole. Take these initial steps before localized edits. Next, focus on targeted recovery using local tools. Paint with a brush or apply a gradient to the blown regions, then pull down highlights and whites locally by 50 to 100% as needed to restore detail. If skin or reflective surfaces look flat, add a touch of texture or clarity. Use small increments so you do not reintroduce shine. Once the main highlights are controlled, balance the rest of the frame so the edit looks natural and consistent. Finish by refining overall contrast with a tone curve. Lift shadows slightly and tame the upper curve to keep recovered highlights believable. If denoising is required after pulling exposure down, apply luminance noise reduction selectively so you preserve detail. Make sure to mask edges to avoid plastic skin. When satisfied, export as a high-quality file and preview on another screen. If colors shift or noise persists, revert the last local step and retry with gentler settings. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.